Big time rotation, about to cross the road. There's a confirmed tornado on the ground. I do not see a tornado on the ground right now, but that's a low wall cloud right now. Look at that motion. Look at this storm. Wow. Oh yeah, that's definitely it. Oh, that's it. There's a tornado. Tornado on the ground. Looks like it. Yep.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for East Central Allen County.
There it is. There it is.
Southwestern Defiance County in northwestern Ohio. Northwestern Paulding County, Ohio, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight.
That is it. That is a tornado on the ground.
8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Woodburn, Oregon, 8 miles southwest of Brazil.
That is it. That is a tornado. My first tornado. Very strong rotation just to my north. Probably going to try to put down another tornado. Very, very strong. Rapid rotation. Tightening up, tightening up. It's going to put down a tornado. It is definitely going to put down a tornado. Tornado on the ground in the field. Just saw a couple vortices. The hazards on. It just touched down for a second. There was definitely a vortice on the ground. It's trying. It is really trying. This is incredible. Oh, we got it. The funnel forming right there. It's gonna put one down. It's trying so hard. There it is. Tornado on the ground. Tornado on the ground. Holy crap! My first tornado. Another tornado right there. Came down for maybe about 10 seconds, went back up. Oh, what a time for this to go off. Just leave it on. Big, low wall cloud again on this storm.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a tornado warning for Defiance County in northwestern Ohio, northwestern Paulding County, Ohio, northwestern Henry County in northwestern Ohio.
Just trying to put down another one.
6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 4 miles southwest of Seattle, moving north. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now.
There it is on the ground again.
Tornado. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter.
On the ground again.
Will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Defiance around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Mark Center, Bruinsburg, Stanley, Seattle, Richeville Corners, The Bend, Jewel, May, and the Vansport.
All right, we need to get closer. Large tornado on the ground. We are near Wren, Ohio. In western Ohio, we are looking east. Large tornado, large stovepipe tornado on the ground. Such a big tornado. That is ridiculous. I did not expect this when I went out to chase today. All right, we're gonna round this corner and it should be almost dead in front of us.
While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen.
All right, here we go. I'm gonna be able to shoot it out the window here. Wow! 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 Wow!
Weather information. The tornado warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for Manhattan.
That is incredible. That is incredible.
Extremely dangerous tornado is located near Middlebury, Oregon, 3 miles west of Denver, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour.
Oh, we are getting closer. That thing is barely moving. We are definitely getting closer.
Answer: damaging tornado. Source: emergency management confirmed tornado. The storm has a history of producing
I've never seen anything like this, especially not in Ohio.
a life-threatening situation. Flying
Wow.
debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles.
That is amazing. Man, I hope it's not hitting anything though. Look at all this tornado damage. Tornado came right through here. Came right through here. Big tree snapped.
Stay tuned to now weather radio.
You guys okay? Okay. Came right through here. Look at all the corn. Corn's all pushed down. Tornado came right through here. There's the next tornado that's going to drop. It's going to be right there. About 5 miles northeast of Van Wert. It's going to drop another one. There it is. Got a funnel coming out. There it is. There's a little funnel snaking out. Rapid rotation, very rapid rotation. Tornado on the ground. We are near New Baltimore, Ohio. Just put down on the ground.